All right. All right. Let's look at this. Screen there. Got a bit of foam. Got the instruction guide. Oh, I like that. Not happy? Reach out to these guys. Yep. Cool. Oh, wow. Okay. Got some extra keycaps. You have your key puller. Got a little nice looking braided one. Nothing too fancy, but not cheap either, I'd say. Let's braid it. Let's go. And the piece de resistance. Oh, plastic caps. That's quite cool. If you go to this side. And I have it. I guess I just touch it, right? Oh. Can't go back now. Cannot go back. Just so you guys know, this is what I currently use, right? So, it's soft. There's not much that it's doing. No clickety clackety, but it's pleasant enough for me. Oh no, let's look at how this types out. Oh, okay. It's got a bit of, it's got a bit more heft than I thought it would have. And these are the banana switches. You can see they're yellow, right? So it's got a little bit more heft. Oh,